Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create folders in from Gmail app. If you're using mobile phone, Android phone, or iOS phone or iPhone, and if you want to create a folder from your Gmail app, you can create. So how you can create? So let's start with the video. Before you start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below guys. If you really like this video, please subscribe me. If you subscribe me, I will motivate and create good content for you. So let's start with the video. So guys, this is my Android phone and I just open the going to open the Gmail application. And when you open your Gmail application, and if you go in this three line option, you can see your all existing labels, but there is a no option that you can create labels. Okay, so guys, in Gmail app you there is no option that you can use to create new labels, but still you can create labels by using your phone. You don't need to go in laptop or desktop. Okay, so here you can go in Chrome browser. Okay, open your Chrome browser, mobile Chrome browser, and just okay, just my mobile is slow. Okay, it will be open. Just open the Google from your search bar. Okay, go to Google. Just open the Google. Now go to the three dot and click on desktop site or desktop mode. Then your Google will be see like this. Okay, your email should be login with this Chrome browser. In which email ID you want to create email ID, sorry, labels, that email ID should be logging here. First you log in your email ID. Okay, now you have to go this dot option and click on Gmail. So Gmail will open like this, like desktop site. Okay, now you just zoom it and find the more option your left side. You can see this is a more option. Click on it and just scroll down, and here you can find the create new labels. Just create labels like YouTube update. Okay, and just create it. Okay, so it is created, you can see. And now if you go to the Gmail application, you will find your new labels. So I just switch my email ID where you create email. I think in this email ID. Okay, everything switching now. Okay, when you click on this three line, and okay, it is not updated. Okay, just go and yeah, you can see the YouTube updated folder has been created here, or labels create here. So that is how you can use your phone or mobile to create new labels in Gmail. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.